Win some Proline tires, win some Proline tires, or you can win, get this puppy out of here, a winch. And it even comes with its little worn sticker. How cool is that, eh? So guys, that's going to be this year's competition. Some guys need tires, some guys need a winch. Write me in the comment which of the two you need, and I shall put you in the draw. Now let's get back into today's video. Are you ready to rumble? It's end of the month and the competition is on. So I've got the subscribers all cut out and neatly. These are the subscribers that have commented either they want a winch or they want a set of tires. Not both together, guys. So what I'm going to do, because you see I don't have my cup to draw out of, I'm going to throw this bunch in the air and catch one of you guys. Well, I hope not just one, because then the video will be kind of short. Anyway, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 drivers. I have got Tim M, Maxwell, Travis Parton or Patton, and Jay Kotabo. I don't even know. J. Jakotva 22. There you go. Jakotva 22. Okay, so Jakotva, or is it maybe J. Kotva 22, Travis Parton and Maxwell and Tim M. Let's hit the trail and see who wins the prize. So this time I'm going to do it a bit different. We're going to keep the camera up there, film this in real time, and I have marked the track just with a bit of white paint coming through this side, hooking, well, this is kind of the first obstacle, hooking a little bit of a right turn, coming through the V obstacle, which is the most difficult. Over the top, might have to do a couple of point turns here, and as well this little bush has become quite big, used to be about that size, and then off to the finish line. So let's grab our first driver. This is the difficult one to pronounce, J. Kotva 22, or maybe it's JK Otva 22. Anyway, first driver to go. Putting my other drivers here and positioning myself. Got two hands on the controller, not just one and one in the camera. So we've got full action and full control. So ready, steady, go. Here comes the bell. And he is off. Coming over to the first obstacle, taking it smooth and easy. Sometimes smooth and easy is a little bit better. Wiggling the front wheels to get that body down. We are traveling today, or riding the Blazer body today. Oh, jumping up a little bit high. And reversing, we have no penalties for reversing. We also have no penalties for touching the white lines. This is all just a time trail. The heavy body is different to drive and different to ride on the track because of its weight, and makes everything a little bit more difficult. Oh, going a little bit high on the front there. Keep it easy. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, not bad. Doing a 1-point turn, 2-point turn, and slowly take it. Whoa. Don't go back down. While we click back on the magnets. Why are we not clicked back on the magnets? There we go, click back on the magnets. Okay. Taking it easy, slowly. Come on. There we go. Not bad. The heavy body does seem to tilt the TRX4 a little bit more onto the side, doing a 1-point turn, 2-point turn, taking it easy. Can he make it through in one go? No, he cannot. Taking it easy, speeding it up a little bit, and across the line. Well done. And second driver, we have Travis Parton, putting him onto the roof rack. Okay, start your engines. Ready, steady, here comes the bell. And off he goes. Ooh, leaning a bit hard, back wheel going in the air, taking it a bit smoother. A little bit faster through there. Well done, not hooking up the rear wheel. Oh, can he make this in one go? Yes, he can. Nice driving, taking it easy. Got grip like crazy today because it is a very dry day. We have got the Sahara winds coming through and we have got close to 40 degrees Celsius, that is, and it is just brutally hot. That's why I'm wearing my hat as well. Okay, after a few point turn there, hooking a left up, didn't make that first rock. Trying again, hitting the little tree, which is now not so little anymore. A few more and speeding it up, getting it right across the line. Well done, Travis. Next runner-up is Maxwell. Next runner-up, Maxwell, starting his engines. 1, 2, 3, here goes the bell. And off he goes, slowly over the first obstacle. Oh, keeping it cool. Oh, no. Drop that heavy body, top heavy body. Okay, and off we go. Keeping it steady. Oh, taking another line. Like I said, no penalties. Woo! Can he make it? Can he make it? Are we going to be able to get out of this? Come on, Maxwell. Come on, Maxwell. Oh, very far from the actual line. A couple of point turns, but he's on his wheels. Maybe if he has one more mistake, he is going to be out. So let's line him up, taking it easy. Pumping it a little bit. Yes, not bad. Slowly, easy does it. Went a little bit far on this one. The body is very low at the back, making it all more difficult to actually pass this obstacle. Okay, easy does it, not too much wheel speed on this. Ooh, wait, the body's going up. I think the back wheel is actually preventing the body from, or the tires from staying on the ground there. And we are off to a bad 1 point turn, 2 point turn, 4 point turn. Let's take him higher over this rock and try that again. Oof, the back wheels are pumping down into the gorge here. Ooh, almost fell backwards. Come on, a little bit of speed there on the wheels and across the line. Well done, Maxwell. And last but not least, Tim. Let's put him on the roll bars. Okay, Tim, this is your chance. Start your engine. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, getting hooked on the front bumper there a little bit. Backing up slowly, taking it easy. Taking it easy is always a good choice. Ooh, bumping it a little bit hard. Losing track or losing the track there a little bit. Reversing, trying to get back onto the trail. Oof, doing kind of the same thing. No. Okay, taking a different route. Ooh, crashing into the rock there, getting stuck on the axles. And slowly lining up to the V-notch. Ooh, taking this very easy. Come on. Ooh, no, don't fall. That's exactly what you don't want with the heavy blazer body. Okay, magnets are on and off we go. Steady, slowly climbing that front nose up there, wiggling the front tires to keep the nose down, getting suspension to settle, and off we go. Oh, no. It seems to not be his day today. Okay, let's try that again. Ooh, no. Okay, now, there we go. Perfect run, or perfect move on the V-notch. 3 point turn, 4 point turn. How many turns is it going to be? One more. Yes, he can pass. Now, there we go. Made it. And taking a bit of speed, starting his points turn a little bit earlier, so they're just not managing to actually keep the weight of this car on the full left turn. Now, come on, Servo. Are you on his last knees? All right. Oh, passing the G. And I think he's just going to go for it. Oh, I got stuck on the front axle. No, he didn't. Come on, stuck on the back. And across the line. Well done. Let's go take our times and meet up in the shed. What an exciting race, guys. In this heat, I actually ran off to have a shower because just can't stand this heat. It's ridiculously hot right now. But let's count down from fourth place. Fourth place, we have Tim M looking for a winch, and he did it in 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Third place was Maxwell looking for a set of Proline tires, coming in at 1 minute 46 seconds. In second place, we have JK Otwa, or J Kotwa 22, looking for a winch as well, coming in at 1 minute 32. And the winner is Travis Parton looking for a winch, coming in at 54 seconds. Woo! Well done. So Travis, on Instagram, you can find me at Boris Worx with an X, obviously, Worx, or on Facebook, you can find me on Turtle Works, also obviously with an X. Write me a comment. I have a winch for you. So guys, the rest of you, don't worry. We have more tires and winches up for grabs. So don't worry about it. Keep those comments coming and we shall put you into the next draw. So that's it from me this week, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.